What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. The last time you saw me, I was at the track running my 2003 Solo Yellow SRT-4 that went from a complete empty shell to a full running car. And there's a couple things I need to address with it. I feel that the shifter is kind of clunky. I'm going to be replacing that with a Mopar short throw shifter with some Booger bushings. I'm going to be replacing the factory airbox and the surge valve with a aftermarket blow-off valve and an aftermarket intake. I wanted to keep everything stock and OEM looking, but I feel that something's leaking over there. The rake isn't that good for track use, so I'm going to be evening out the rear with the front. And my fuel pressure regulator, I'm having a hard time with the key flick. It's taken 2, 3, almost 4 times of a key flick just to get fuel up to the fuel rail. So I think either fuel pressure regulator is clogged, I'm gonna try cleaning it or whatnot. I can't replace it. It's a stage 3, so it's kind of hard to find one. You can't get one brand new. So I'm gonna try and address that. Might have to do a fuel return line setup, but I'll figure that out. In this video, I am going to be doing the short throw shifter, the Mopar short throw shifter, and the Booger bushings. So let's get into that. All right, so you're gonna have 2 screws up here, and you're gonna have 4 screws in the center console. All right, so after you take the 2 screws out up front, the 4 in the center console, you wanna take off the shifter ball, and then you pull up the e-brake as high as you possibly can. And then you'll have access underneath your center console. So the whole reason why it felt so clunky, there is no bushing in there. That's why it felt so clunky. That is crazy that I was even at the track shifting without a bushing. That is absolutely insane. It must have disintegrated either during the track time, before the track time. I have no idea. For this clip, all I did, put the pliers here, rested them right up here, and pulled back, pop right out. Maybe I can do the same for this side. Did the same for this side. Just grabbed with the pliers and then kind of pushed back, and it came right out. So what I like to do is get pliers, put them on the back side, try to squeeze the shifter cable through. All right, feels a lot better. All right, so that's it for this video. Appreciate those who have subscribed, trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. YouTube's gonna be changing their whole threshold next year, February 2027. So I'm really hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I forgot the watch hours, 3,000 watch hours before that time. So that'd be great if we do. Thank you for having and showing interest in this car and my process going to the track, building this. I do kind of hope to get this car across the country and hit roads out west. That kind of was the goal for this car for the longest time, was to be a track slash trip car. So we'll see how that goes. Still have a couple more months. I would like to get 1 or 2 more track days in with this. Still need to figure out the suspension, and there's a couple other things that I'm going to be installing on this car. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you for watching. Take care.